The Consolidated Vultee XP81, later redesignated ZXF81, was a development of the Consolidated Vultee Aircraft Corporation to build a single-seat, long-range escort fighter that combined use of both turbojet and turboprop engines. Although promising, the lack of a suitable engine combined with the end of World War II doomed the project. Design and development. 2 prototype aircraft were ordered on February 11, 1944 that were designated XP-81. The engine selection was an attempt to couple the high-speed capability of the jet engine with the endurance offered by the propeller engine. The XP-81 was designed to use the General Electric TG-100 turboprop engine, later designated XT-31 by the U.S. military, in the nose, driving a 4-bladed propeller and an GEJ-33 turbojet in the rear fuselage. The turboprop would be used for normal flight and cruising and the turbojet added for high-speed flight. Operational history. The first XP-81, serial 44-91000, was completed in January 1945, but because of developmental problems the turboprop engine was not ready for installation. A decision was then made to mount a complete V1650-7 Merlin engine package from a P-51D aircraft in place of the turboprop for initial flight tests. This was done in a week and the Merlin-powered XP-81 was sent to the Muroc Air Base where it flew for the first time on February 11, 1945. During 10 flight test hours, the XP-81 displayed good handling characteristics except for inadequate directional stability due to the longer forward portion of the fuselage. This was rectified by enlarging the vertical tail. While 13 YP-81 pre-production aircraft had been ordered, the capture of Guam and Saipan eliminated the need for long-range, high-speed escort fighters and, then, just before VJ Day the contract was cancelled, after 85% of the engineering was completed. The YP-81 was to be essentially the same as the prototype but with a lighter and more powerful GETG-110, XT-41, turboprop engine, the wing moved aft 10 inches, 0.25 m, an armament of either 6.50 calories, 12.7 mm, machine guns or 620 mm cannon. After the XP-81 was returned to Vultee Field, the TG-100 turboprop was installed and flight testing resumed, including the first flight by an American turboprop-powered aircraft on December 21, 1945. However, the turboprop engine was not able to produce its designed power, producing only the same output as the Merlin, 1490 HP or 1112 kilowatts, with the resultant performance limited to that of the Merlin-powered configuration. With the termination of hostilities, the 2 prototypes continued to be tested until 1947 when they were both consigned to a bombing range as photography targets. Aircraft disposition. 44-91000, storage at the National Museum of the United States Air Force near Dayton, Ohio. 44-91001, storage at the National Museum of the United States Air Force near Dayton, Ohio. Operators. United States. United States Army Air Forces, testing only. Specifications, XP-81. General characteristics. Crew, 1. Length, 44 feet 8 in, 13.61 m. Wingspan, 50 feet 6 in, 15.39 m. Height, 13 feet 6 in, 4.11 m. Wing area, 425 sq fort, 39.5 square meters. Empty weight, 12,979 pounds, 5,887 kilograms. Gross weight, 24,650 pounds, 11,181 kilograms. Power plant, 1 times General Electric T31 GE3 turboprop engine, 2,300 shop, 1,700 kilowatts, plus 600 lbf, 2.7 knots, residual thrust, estimated power of production engine. Power plant, 1 times General Electric J33 GE5 centrifugal flow turbojet, 3,750 lbf, 16.7 knots, thrust, planned engine for production aircraft. Propellers, 4-bladed constant speed propeller, 12 feet, 3.7 m, diameter. Performance. Maximum speed, 478 miles per hour, 769 kilometers per hour, 415 knots, at sea level, 507 miles per hour, 441 knots, 816 kilometers per hour, at 30,000 feet, 9,100 m. Cruise speed, 275 miles per hour, 443 kilometers per hour, 239 knots, at 30,000 feet, 9,100 m. Range, 2,500 miles, 2,172 nmi, 4,023 kilometers. Service ceiling, 47,000 feet, 14,000 m. Rate of climb, 5,300 feet/min, 27 m/s. Wing loading, 106 lb/sq foot, 520 kg/m2. Armament. Guns, 6 x 20 mm, 0.787 in, cannon. Bombs, 2,000 pounds, 910 kilograms, of bombs. Role escort fighter. Manufacturer Consolidated Vultee Aircraft Corporation. First flight February 11, 1945. Status cancelled. Primary user United States Army Air Forces. Number built 2. Unit cost $4.6 million for the program.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.